Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So guys, in today's video we are going to be doing a challenge. Okay, I am so sorry I have not uploaded video for a while. It's because of this challenge. So I just added 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seed. Okay, we are using fenugreek seed as our hairspray for today's challenge. Okay, I did this challenge for 2 weeks and guys, you will be shocked of the result. Kindly watch to the end. Okay, watch the video to the end. So the fenugreek seed is ready. I boiled it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, when you see that your water is this color, you know your fenugreek seed is ready. So I'm just going to strain it. All right, this one was a supply for 7 days, 5 days, 7 days. When I smell my fenugreek is already getting bad, okay, I throw it away. I make a fresh batch. So this is what we have right now. Fenugreek seed is amazing for your hair growth. Like the protein, the ingredients that is in fenugreek seed is going to help you to grow out your hair longer and stronger. Okay, so if you've not used fenugreek seed before, try use fenugreek seed because this has amazing benefits for our hair growth. Okay, so I'm just going to pour it in my spray bottle just like this. I will cover it. I didn't add any oil, okay, but when I was spraying it on my hair, I added some oils and the rest. So let me just give you a brief benefit of fenugreek seed. So the fenugreek seed boosts blood circulation and it helps to reduce dandruff. Okay, so the fenugreek seed is rich in protein, all right, and it also helps to fight against hair loss, dandruff. It treats dryness of the hair, it controls baldness and thinning of your hair. So loves, this is day one of my using fenugreek seed on my hair. Okay, so I didn't carry you guys as usual, as I always carry you guys in day one, day two, but I make sure I apply this all over my hair every single day for 2 weeks. For storage, I kept this in my fridge. I kept it in my fridge, and after 5 days I dispatched the water. I made a new one, so roughly you're going to be making like 3 batches of the water. Okay, after 5 days you throw away your water and you make a new one. Okay, so guys, you can see the back of my hair. This was the one I just recently cornrowed my hair. If you're following me for my vlog, you know the day I cornrowed my hair. Okay, so I'll just spray this all over my hair, and for oils I use my hair growth oil, just a simple hair growth oil. It's also in the channel. I use that for my oil, and after this I left it on my hair to dry out. When you spray fenugreek seed water on your hair, it's like it has this very nice feeling to the hair. It softens your hair. Okay, so if you've not used fenugreek seed before, try and use it. I also apply this at the ends of my hair, then I braided the end of my hair so that my hair will not be touching clothes and cotton and the rest. So I braided it, I tuck it in. Anytime I am spraying it on my hair, I lose spray on my hair, braid it back. That's how I have been doing it for the past 2 weeks. And guys, kindly watch to the end of the video, okay, so that you can see my result. Like I myself, I was shocked. This is my first time using fenugreek seed on a straight, okay, without adding anything inside, just on the fenugreek seed as a challenge, and this really boosts my hair growth. So watch to the end, okay, so that you can see the result. This is a real result, no clickbait, nothing like that. This is real result. Okay, this is like few days later thereabout. Okay, so the next clip you guys will see is me losing my hair, because I didn't take you guys in every other day because I don't want the video to be so long and so bulky. If I do a realistic every other day, we might be getting like a 20-30 minutes video. So I hope you watch to the end of the video to find out the result. Okay, love, so please keep on watching. So guys, this is the hair after 2 weeks. I want to lose it now and wash it. So let's go. So as I'm taking down my braids, I this is how I take down my braids. Okay, I've already spray the like water mixed with leave-in conditioner on my hair so that it's easier for me to detangle and the rest. So I'm just going to be unraveling the twist they did at the mouth of my braid, then I will lose it. So make sure you unravel the twist they do at the mouth of your braid. That will help you to limit breakage and like pulling your hair and the rest. So this is how I always lose my hair. And I carry this hair for 2 weeks. I know I'm going to get fallout, okay, because you guys know I've found this new routine of braiding my hair for a week, lose it, wash it, detangle it, and it gives me lesser breakage. I don't know if that makes sense, but that routine really works for me. So this time around, because I did this challenge, I decided to carry the hair for 2 weeks. So I don't know about the breakage, but when you guys see the hair breakage, let me know what's your thought in the comment section. So this is the hair, so I'll lose it till I'll be right back. Hi guys, so I am back and this is my hair loss. Like, I think my hair cut. I don't know if it's the stylist that made my hair or it's the fenugreek seed that cuts my hair. I don't know. Well, before she braided the hair, I told her not to comb it when making it. Okay, she should just cornrow it like that, because I've already detangled my hair, so there was no need of her combing it again. So she didn't comb it, she only plaited it, and now I lost it. This is the hair loss I have. I don't know if it's the fenugreek seed that cuts my hair or the braider's hand is not good. Like, there's some people that when they braid your hair, their hand is to cut hair no matter what you do. So this is the hair loss I have. This is my hair. I have not detangled my hair. This is just my hair like this. So this is how my hair looks like. Yeah. Let's do leg check. And this is where my hair is reaching. Let's do this side. I feel this side of my hair grows more faster than this side of my hair. Yeah, and let's do the front. I don't know what to expect in the front. Sometimes I get disappointed in the front. Sometimes it grows longer, sometimes it goes shorter. I don't know what to expect, but bless you. Okay, it grew. So my hair was reaching me here. Now it's reaching me here. So it actually grew. And for the back, I don't know what to say about the back, but it's where my back is reaching me. Anyway, let me get my measure tape. I'll be right back. Okay, so is 11. 11. This is left side is 11. Okay, right side. Right side is 12. Ha! The right side of my hair, is it 12 or 13? It's true. 12. 12. Okay. I'm checking something here. So 12. Left side is 11, right side is 12. Alright, so front. Don't give her that popsicle, Oga. Unless you want to carry her to go to school. $10.5. 10.5, 10.6, thereabouts. Then our back hair. My back hair is 10. My back hair is 10. Alright. So the front hair, I had to retake it again. Is 11. What do you guys think? Let me know. It's kind of 11. So the hair did grow. It did grow. I had to retake the front one because the measurement was not giving me accuracy. Other sides are growing and the front is still telling me that. So I had to retake it and it gave me 11. So I didn't do the first one well. So while I was saying that, I was checking something here. If you guys remember my previous video where I did a length check, I recorded it here, okay? Sorry, it's jaga. My daughter scattered everything. I have to rewrite all this again. So anyway, so this was 2022, 2023, and 2024. Okay, 2024 was the last hair I did, alright, and I showed you guys everything. Okay, that should be either Rosemary. I think that should be Cloves and Rosemary, either Cloves and Rosemary or only Cloves. One of those videos I did a length check there. So here we got 10 for my front hair, and you know the first clip I did, it was showing me 10.5-ish. I was not too sure, so I had to redo it again and it gave me 11. Okay, then on my left side gave me 11. No, sorry, gave me this is left, right. Okay, this is my left side. This is my right hand. Sorry, my right hand gave me 12. Okay, while my left hand gave me 11. And here my left side was 10.5 and now it's giving me 11. While my right side was 11 and now it's giving me 12. Then my back gave me 10 and here my back gave me 9.5. So 2 weeks using flaxseed on my hair. Sorry, I say flaxseed. 2 weeks using fenugreek seed on my hair actually grew my hair. Yeah, it grew my hair and I am loving it. I don't know about this hair breakage, but so far I got growth. That is most important. Yeah, my hair broke, which I don't know, maybe it's because I stretched carrying my hair for 2 weeks, because I tried to get in routine of carrying my braids for a week, lose it and wash it, detangle and braid again. Every week I lose my hair. Maybe it gave me a little bit of not having much breakage, but this one I stretched my hair for 2 weeks. I carried for 2 weeks because I was doing a challenge. My hair broke like this, and
but my hair grew for that 2 weeks. I am literally amazing. It's literally amazing. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you watched this essence, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about using fenugreek seed for hair growth? Like, this literally work. I always tell you guys I like doing things that work, and if it work, I come and share it with you all. So downside is that my hair cuts, but my hair grew. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye besties.